delicious candy they've ever seen. We'll fly amongst the clouds with painted wings. Let's tell all our friends to join in and sing. Together we're stronger, I hear a new world coming.
Roy G. Biff, flowers purple and yellow. Orange jello is the best for dessert. Chocolate pudding late after work. Hard at school, blue for the water in my swimming pool. And I'm really cool like the color of ice. We all get along as long as we're nice to each other, hanging like friends. In the end, we're all different, but we're all still brothers. In a rainbow world, our books have the same colors. Peace to my sisters and my brothers, sing.
Love comes in every color. This is the rainbow world.
For yourself, there's no more living life like this. Oh no, no, no. 1, 2, 3. Hey, bully, why you gotta be so mean? God, that's great.
Hey, hey, boy, why you gotta be so mean? Nobody likes your scene. Not gonna take no more. Ooh, is this what you're living for? They wait for you, make fun who you wanna be. If you're not like them, they wanna change what they can't see. They throw their words, sometimes they throw their fears. Gotta stand up for yourself, there's no more living life like this. Oh no, no, no. Hey, hey, boy, well, I killed out. What's special is we're different. Yes, so different. Welcome to me. Welcome to me.
Please don't judge me by
The color of my skin,
Please don't judge me by
what I believe within.
Please don't judge me 'cause
I talk a little slow.
Please don't judge me 'cause
The things I do not know.
Please don't judge me 'cause
You can't pronounce my name.
Don't judge me 'cause
Our size is not the same.
Please don't judge me by
Who I choose to love. You don't even know me. No, no. Come on. I'm not like you, but that's okay.
Yeah, Mr. Ray, get him.
Walking down the hallway, he called me a nasty name.
Yeah.
Tried to make me feel like I should walk around ashamed.
Come on, man, this ain't a game. Fall back, bully in his lane, let's get off that. You and me got a problem, let's talk and resolve that. Cause I'm tired of getting attacked.
I won't take it anymore, cause I like who I am. There'll be no room for bullies anymore. You won't come around my door, I'm proud of my life. There'll be no more bullies anymore.
Word.
Started out with hateful words in my face. Whoa, whoa, you can't take away my dignity. Whoa, whoa, my heart and soul, my dignity.
Heart and soul,
My dignity.
my dignity. That's all I got. My dignity, that's all I got.
You throw your words at me and try to knock me down. Like sharp knives coming at me, you hope my soul will drown. Take me to a place where I'm serving to your king. But you don't know me, who I am, no fear have I within. Whoa, you can't take away my dignity.
No.
Whoa, my heart and soul,
my dignity. Say it with me.
You tell me who are you?